Hi there YouTube, I'm Gundan Sister from Nepal, and from now I'm going to upload some videos about laptops, how to open up laptops and how to pack the laptops and how to repair the problems of the laptops. Hope you kind of like it, and just hope you'll subscribe my channel. And today I'm going to teach you how to pack the laptop Dell N5050, inspirion N5050, and it's the motherboard of the laptop, and we need to find the heat sink. Wait up. And here's the heat sink of the laptop. First of all, you need to keep the heat sink inside it, because without it laptop doesn't work. It just gets shut down suddenly after some interval of time. Okay, now plug the jack in. Okay, now let's get started. It's the main body of the housing of the laptop, and as we know all, this is a fan, this is the motherboard, and inside this it's a CPU, it's a RAM, and it's a Wi-Fi card. Okay, it's the whole total body. And now just keep it in its position, and just you need to pop up the mic cable, speaker cable, and the USB cable here. And from here you will get some Wi-Fi cables. There are two parts. One is two wires. It's black and white. It's the Wi-Fi cable. Without it you won't get Wi-Fi signal strength. First of all, we are going to pop up the mic, and we'll just plug in this speaker cable. Then we'll just plug in our USB cable, and this is the power cable, okay, and just plug in it. And this is the monitor cable, I mean the screen from where it gets the output. Okay, let's just plug in it, and just now you need to just connect the Wi-Fi antenna cable, and just see here there is a black one and white one. Just keep it on the same place. Just to plug in black in black and plug in white in white. Just plug in black in black and just plug in white in white, as you are looking at this. Now you need to put the hard drive inside it. Just slide it, and then just you need to get the cover of it. This is the upper cover. Okay, and now just after all these things is done, you need to just keep the cover on and just press it side by side, and just look at this. This is the power button cable, okay. Without it the switch doesn't work, so you need to just see this one. This is the place where the power button cable lies, and you need to just pull it up and just keep the cable inside, and just press it down again. And as same as here, you need to do the same. This is the touchpad cable. Without it touchpad doesn't work. You need to just do the same with the touchpad. In my case, I think touchpad cable is almost broken, but okay, it will work, don't worry. Okay, we'll just keep it a little carefully, cause it's going to break. it's going to break. Wait up. It's pretty hard when it's going to break, because you need to be very careful. Okay, now here's the keyboard, and here's the DVD ROM. DVD. Okay, now we'll just keep it from here and slide it down, and just we get some screws, and this DVD screw is kept here, and just you need to keep some screws here and here one. Now you need to plug your keyboard. See how it's plugged in. It's the lock of the keyboard, and you just need to pull it up, and just see, here's the icon given up, and just press it, just keep it inside this one, and just lock it down. And now you need to see the locks. It's the down locks where it needs to be slide, and you have got some upper locks here, and just press it by, and just keyboard is set down. Okay, now you need to turn it backward, and you will see the spots to keep your screws. Now you need to just close it by keeping some screws here. In my case, this laptop is like too old, and I haven't got more screws on it, so this is it. So now plug in your battery. So this is how you pack your Dell Inspirion N5050. Hope you liked this video. Just don't forget to subscribe to know about new videos coming soon. I'll try to upload every new videos daily, because you can get some lessons how to do all these things. Okay, let's see if it works or not. Okay, it's on, and it got the display on. Okay, and it has got the problem of not showing the hard drive, and I just got repaired it. Now it's showing the hard drive, and it's going to load the Windows. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.